Hey creators, want to know the secret weapons that can save you time, money, and help grow your YouTube channel faster? Today I'm sharing 10 completely free websites that I personally use in my workflow. This isn't sponsored content. These are genuinely tools I rely on daily and can vouch for their effectiveness. If you're serious about growing your channel without breaking the bank, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell right now so you don't miss any of my creator tips. Have you ever tried finding a specific comment under a popular YouTube video? It's almost impossible to manually scroll through thousands of comments, right? This is where YouTube Comment Finder comes in handy. Let me show you how it works. For example, let's say I'm watching New Movie Trailers 2025 sci-fi video, and I want to know what people are saying about the death and robots in the comments. Since the video has over 1,088 comments, manually scrolling isn't an option. I simply copy the video link, go to the YouTube Comment Finder website, paste the link in the search bar, and the tool detects the video. Then I type death and robots as my keyword, and within seconds, the tool shows me all comments mentioning death and robots. What makes this website amazing is that you can use it not just for individual videos, but also at the channel level. If you type any channel name or paste its link in the search bar, you'll get an option to search all videos. With one click, you can scan comments across all videos on that channel and instantly find any comment you're looking for. Recently, I added a GIF to my blog post, and it looked really cool and stood out compared to the usual static images most bloggers use. If you want to create eye-catching GIFs for your blog, all you need is a website that can convert MP4 videos into GIFs. Now, while there are many websites that offer this feature, most of them either lower the video quality during conversion or keep the quality but make the file too large to upload to your blog. That's where Adobe Express comes in. Its MP4 to GIF converter gave me the best results during my testing. Just visit Adobe Express, link in the description, upload your video, and in just a few seconds, your GIF is ready. I recommend downloading it in high quality first, and if the file size goes above 16 megabytes, try switching to medium quality. Also, you can upload this GIF to a YouTube post to grab more attention. When we copy our channel link directly to our Instagram bio, you've probably noticed that it opens in a separate browser instead of the YouTube app. This means if someone wants to subscribe or comment on your videos, they'll need to sign in first, which most users won't bother doing. To solve this problem, we can use Open in App. Once you sign into the website, you'll get a Smart Link button. Just click on it, paste your channel link, click Generate Link, and your smart link will be created. This link will open directly in the YouTube app instead of a browser. The best part is you can customize your link by clicking the pencil icon. I find this website extremely helpful because it not only opens links directly in the YouTube app, but also shortens your links, creating a cleaner look in bios and descriptions. You can use this for any link, not just YouTube. I use smart links when posting new video stories on Instagram too. Next up is Photopea, essentially a free alternative to Photoshop. The difference is that Photopea is 100% free, browser-based, meaning you don't need to download any software, and accessible from both your computer and phone. Since I create all my thumbnails in Photoshop, I tried Photopea once to compare, and honestly, the interface is exactly like Photoshop with all the same tools. You can even open PSD files in Photopea, edit them easily, and save them. So if you're a YouTuber looking for a free tool to create thumbnails and channel art, definitely try Photopea. And hey, if you want more free alternatives just like Photoshop, watch this video and I'll drop the link in the description for you. For thumbnail optimization, try thumbnailpreview.com. Before publishing your next video, you can upload its title and thumbnail to this website, and it will create a mock-up showing how your video will appear on YouTube. When creating thumbnails, we usually look at them in isolation, but viewers see them alongside many other thumbnails, forcing your thumbnail to compete for attention. Using this website gives you an idea of how clickable your packaging is, allowing you to make necessary changes. You can also switch between different devices to see how your thumbnail looks on laptops, tablets, and phones. I always say that you should record your voice in a place with absolutely no noise. But at the same time, I understand this isn't possible for everyone. Maybe you live in a busy area, so some noise gets picked up even if you're careful. In such cases, you can use Adobe Podcast, which is a free speech enhancement model. It uses AI to clean up your audio, making it sound like you recorded in a professional studio. Let me play you a sample. Now, this is the same audio that we want to enhance using Adobe Podcast. Now let's enhance it with Adobe Podcast.
Now, this is the same audio that we want to enhance using Adobe Podcast.
Can you hear the difference between the two samples? It's remarkable. To use it, simply go to Adobe Podcast and upload your audio file. Just make sure the audio duration is less than 30 minutes and the file size is under 500 megabytes, and your enhanced audio will be ready in minutes. Almost 4 years ago, YouTube introduced a major update. They removed the dislike count from videos. YouTube made this change to prevent dislike bombing and reduce stress and embarrassment for creators. Even though this change came with positive intentions, many people criticized it. Viewers said dislike counts helped them judge the quality of videos, especially news, tutorials, and reviews, which they can't do anymore. Even established creators like Marques Brownlee criticized the change, saying hiding dislike counts is even worse, because people will now express their anger and negativity in the comment section instead. Despite all this, YouTube stated that while you might not agree with the decision, they believe it's the right thing to do. This was when a software developer created Return YouTube Dislike, a free browser extension that collects data from YouTube's API and its user base to restore dislike counts on videos. Currently, over 6 million people use this extension, and you can install it for free from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, you'll be able to see dislike counts on videos just like before. Next on our list is Leonardo AI, a powerful AI image generation tool that creates high-quality images based on simple text prompts. While paid plans are available, I'm pretty sure most of you won't need them because the free version is incredibly useful. First, you get numerous presets to create every type of image. For example, if you want to generate anime-style images, there's a preset for that. If you want to create graphic designs, there's a preset for that too. Then we have lifelike vision for hyper-realistic images. Among these, the most popular is Phoenix 1.0, which is what I use to generate images for my videos. In the free plan, you get 150 credits daily, which I think is more than enough for most of us. Leonardo AI also has a prompt enhancement option, so even if you're a beginner and don't know how to write good prompts, no problem. This feature will enhance your prompt to get the best output. For example, I'll enter a very simple prompt, and you can see it started generating an image, but first expanded my prompt with much more detail. Another cool feature is that if you open the Advanced Settings menu, you'll also find a negative prompt option where you can specify what you don't want in your image. So Leonardo is currently one of the best sites for image generation. Definitely try it out. We use freesound.org, which is next on our list. Freesound is an online platform where you'll find almost every type of sound effect that you can use in your YouTube videos. All the content on the website is user-generated, meaning people who use the website can upload and share their own sound effects. This is why their sound effects library keeps growing, and as of 2025, Freesound has over 600,000 free sounds. The best part is that all their sounds fall under Creative Commons licenses, so depending on the license type, you can use most sound effects for free or just need to provide credit in the description. When you open any sound, scroll down to check its license type. For example, if it has a Creative Commons 0 license, you can freely use that sound effect for commercial purposes, like YouTube videos without crediting the author. If it has a CC BY license, attribution license, you can use it for commercial purposes, but must credit the author who uploaded it. Finally, if it has a Sampling Plus license, we can't use it for commercial purposes like YouTube videos. I strongly recommend reading their Frequently Asked Questions page, where they've explained everything thoroughly, like what license types exist, how to give credits, and how to resolve copyright claims if they accidentally happen. Let's talk about the last website on our list, ChatGPT, which gained over 100 million users within just 2 months of its launch, becoming one of the fastest-growing websites in history. ChatGPT became so popular because it can generate human-like responses based on simple text prompts and perform a wide range of tasks, making it extremely versatile. Very quickly, this tool began to be used in every field, whether marketing, education, coding, or content creation. Personally, this tool is a very important part of my content workflow, and I've been using it since it was released to the public. Some YouTube creators even automate their entire video creation process using ChatGPT and a few other tools, which means they don't need to find video ideas, write scripts, or do voiceovers. This is called YouTube automation, and there you have it. 10 free websites that can transform your YouTube workflow. From finding specific comments and creating eye-catching GIFs to generating AI images and enhancing your audio quality, these tools cover every aspect of content creation. Remember, working smarter is just as important as working harder when growing your channel. Which of these websites do you think will be most useful for your content? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching.